first of all, congratulations to all of you. I hope you done hard work as well as smart work to reach here. And definitely my question, and also definitely we will give a good suggestion for upcoming aspirants. So at the end of the preparation, for example, if exam is near of 1 month or 2 months, definitely there is some saturation, there is some frustration. So definitely how you overcome that? Because here Tarun Kumar is also there, he is a Niper 40 rank. So how you overcome? So at the end of means a 1 month, 2 month before preparation. So what is your approach? So how can we cope up with that stress or frustration, whatever it may be? So who can you answer? Multiple answer also welcome.
During the end of preparation, saturation comes to everybody. For dealing with saturation, I used to stop studying myself, revising myself. I just watched the classes and the questions discussed by JDC. That way, even if I am not actively studying or putting anything into my mind, watching those videos, you know, the topics and the questions directly goes direct your mind, and that's how I deal with the saturation.
Very good afternoon, everyone. Actually, I want to add something. If we really love what we do, and if we have an amazing set of faculty like what we have at GDC, so the point of saturation becomes negligible. Saturation आता ही नहीं है उस केस में, क्योंकि हमेशा आप you look forward towards classes, lectures and solving MCQs. So in my case, I never experienced a saturation during my preparation, even a couple of months before the examinations.
हेलो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि कॉलेज के आपके लेक्चर्स भी होते हैं, प्रैक्टिकल्स भी होते हैं, साथ में कोचिंग क्लासेस भी होती हैं, कॉलेज के एग्ज़ाम भी होते हैं, इंस्टीट्यूट के भी टेस्ट सीरीज होते हैं. तो इनको ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि चूज़ करना पड़ा हो आपको कि कोचिंग के टेस्ट को प्रायोरिटी दें या फिर कॉलेज के टेस्ट को प्रायोरिटी दें? इस पे कैसे आपने बैलेंस किया इन चीज़ों को?
हम लोग तो कॉलेज में भी पीछे बेंच में बैठकर पढ़ाई करते थे, बस में पढ़ाई करते थे और थोड़ा लैब्स में भी देख लेते थे, और जो भी लेक्चर्स है वो रिकॉर्डिंग में इनटू 2 स्पीड में देखकर कंटेंट बहुत ज़्यादा कवर करने की कोशिश करते हैं.
Asha, answer my question in Telugu language, okay? Because answer my question in Telugu language because we are mostly okay. So many Telugu students are also looking the video now.
తెలుగులో చెప్పండి.
Yes. So అంటే GDC ని ఎట్లా అప్రోచ్ అయ్యారు మీరు? How do you feel? అంటే GDC అనేది tell me your opinion regarding the GDC.
అంటే ఫస్ట్ నేను యూట్యూబ్లో చూసాను సార్ జీడీసీ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఎండింగ్లో జస్ట్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ హౌ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ అదే. సో నేను యూట్యూబ్లో చూసాను జీడీసీ హిందీ బ్యాచ్ చూసాను. అభిషేక్ సార్, అఖిలేష్ సార్, అందరూ మోటివేట్ చేస్తూ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఒక ఫార్మాకి ఒక హబ్ లెక్క క్రియేట్ చేసిన సార్ జీడీసీ.
రిమైనింగ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ తో కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే వాట్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ ఇన్ జీడీసీ? మనం చూసుకుంటే డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి?
మెయిన్లీ సార్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ అండ్ ద వే దే మోటివేట్ us, ఇట్నా ఎనర్జీ దే ప్రొవైడ్ us, that's more way better sir than other institutes.
Assurance, approach and quality you are saying, right?
Yes sir.
Here not only the GPAT, not only the NIPER, but also you have made the first rank in the AI PGCT.
Yeah, yes sir.
Can you have the different type of that trick or with your
Yeah,
special secret?
While I was giving the exam, it was of 2 hours, sir. But I've completed it in the 40 minutes itself, and I am just going through paper again. And मेरा ही ऐसे गया, सभी का ठीक ही गया होगा. I was thinking like that. But all thanks to GDC, इसलिए मुझे कुछ भी नहीं लगा है टफ है. मॉक से भी इजी लग गया मुझे, इसलिए.
Actually, you got first rank in TSPC set, right?
Yes sir.
So, is that any GDC has any contribution for that?
Absolutely sir. Our modules, test series, lectures, सभी GDC के ही तो किए.
So, with GDC, not only for central examination, we can achieve a good rank.
All the competitive exams crack करना है तो से बस.
कैसा लगा, क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा ये 2 दिन का? सर ये प्रोग्राम बहुत बढ़िया सर, ऐसे प्रोग्राम तो कभी नहीं किया था, और यस्टरडे का जो फन एक्टिविटीज़ वो भी बहुत अच्छा था. और सारे टीचर से मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा सर। हम ऑनलाइन से पढ़ते हैं, इतना इंटरेक्शंस नहीं हो पाता है। जब अपने आइडल टीचर्स को मिलता है वो बहुत खुशी देता है सर। और फंक्शंस भी बहुत अच्छा सर, और खाना भी बहुत अच्छा है सर।
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Harshit Reddy. So, firstly, answering to Ashok sir's question. Sir asked regarding any stress or pressure during the preparation. What actually happened was, I wasn't even stressed before the exam, so my parents' heart rate and BP went through the roof, thinking why are you stressed because of the exam. So, owing to that, I have to say the care and attention provided by GDC throughout the journey has helped me to maintain my calm. So, in general, the biggest reason behind success is my father, and the care and attention he has showed was utmost at this journey. The same way, GDC had shown father-like care and mother-like affection throughout the journey. And by coming to this event, it seems that care and affection has amplified tenfold. So, on the other hand, I have to say a small thing. When you want the fruits of the result, you need to go to the roots of the subject. So, to go into the roots of the subject, first you need to build the foundation upon which you will be skilled, leading to which you will be chilled throughout the journey, and at the day of the result, you will be thrilled because your dream is fulfilled. Thank you.
First of all, I will thank to my teacher, Dr. Chandramouli, who told me about this GPAT NIPA. Everyone tell about their seniors who introduced GDC to them. But I will thank to him who introduced me this GDC. सबको सैचुरेशन आता सर, मेरे को भी सैचुरेशन आता था, लेकिन जब भी मेरे को सैचुरेशन आता था मैं आपको कॉल करता था, 1 2 3 टाइम करा था सर. Everyone will also bother about the marks they get, but I will bother about how I am going, is I am going right or not. I will think that like that only sir. I was prepared only for 3 months.
जोहार झारखंड आप सभी को। तो हम लोग दोनों प्रीवियस ईयर भी आ चुके हैं ऑलरेडी, तो इस बार तो आना तो बस एक ही चीज़ था कि हाँ इस बार जाना है एंजॉय करने के लिए बस। पिछली बार था कि हमें अपने सर से मिलना था। पहले की बात तो कोलॉजी पढ़ रहे थे हम लोग, तो कोलॉजी हमें इतना पसंद है, बस आना था तो सर से मिलना ही है हमें, और कोई हो चाहे नहीं, सबसे पहले से। और हम लोग दोनों स्टार्टिंग से साथ में प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, 3rd ईयर से दोनों साथ में थे, एक ही रूम पे, तो दोनों लड़ते झगड़ते वही सब्जेक्ट को लेकर, कोलॉजी के लेकर। तो अभी लड़ना है, थोड़ी देर बाद नहीं सर के पास तो हो ही जाएगा।